Hi YouTube. Oh my god, I'm sorry, this is so funny. Right, okay, I need to say this first because it's just gonna make me laugh so much throughout this whole video. I don't think you'll find it funny, but I do, right? You probably had to be there to find it funny. Right, okay, I'll try and stop laughing for a minute so I can tell you. Right, okay. At 10 to 7, right, tonight, I rang Greg, right, you know, just to speak to him, and a few minutes later, he was busy with sorry, you know, because he was still working at that time, and he said to me, I'll speak to you in a bit. I said, okay, so phone down, went downstairs, and then my phone memory for messages was full, and my phone nowadays, instead of my old phone where it would just keep making a funny noise until I deleted some messages, this one, Samsung bloody soul, decides just to be silent. It's gonna not tell me when my messaging box is full, apart from when I flip it up to look at it and it says message is full, delete some messages. So then I deleted some messages, right, from the phone. And then this was about 9:15 when I noticed this, and then a message comes through from Greg. Sorry, gone busy again. We'll have to make it another day for me to ring back. I said okay, you know, I thought okay, that's fine, you know, he's busy. So thought nothing of it. But now I have just got a message from Greg, right, saying ring back, right. So I texted him back saying now, and he didn't text me back. So I looked at the message again, and it said 1911. Now, bearing in mind it's 20 to fucking 10, and he said 1911 on the text, which evidently says to me that my phone decides to tell me, give the messages in reverse order. So basically, right, Greg might think that I was ignoring him from 1911, or that I was busy or something, but just didn't tell him, right? And I just thought it was so funny because I was about to ring him and say, oh, you told me to ring you back. No, that was about 3 hours ago, Duck. What do you reckon? You know, what can't you tell time? You know, that would have been so funny if I'd have actually done it without realising the time. That would have been hilariously funny, that would, to me. So I've just sent him on back and explained what I've just told you. So hopefully he's alright. He'll probably be laughing at it now, or he'll probably be staring at it going, what the hell is she on about? But there we go. Anyway, moving swiftly on from this matter, Bonfire night. Yes, that's the day we're on, in the UK. Now I was just wondering, have any of you been to any bonfire parties or had any fireworks in your back garden this tonight at all? We haven't. We've just been sitting watching Coronation Street and the bill, and then I came up here, found out I've got 15 messages, 9 of them from YouTube. What the hell? And I've not looked at them yet, but I'm going to look at the comments in a minute. Thank you to everyone for all your lovely comments to me. thank you so much. I love you all for that. If you are thinking of having a bonfire now, although I don't think you would because of it being quite late, check underneath for hedgehogs. My dog hasn't been bothered about the fireworks or the bonfires. Well, he's not seen a bonfire, but he's not been bothered about the fireworks. No, he's not scared, so it's been quite good. And I wanted some fireworks, but we didn't have any, so I've just been watching the ones that we had next door, so that's been quite good. So yeah, oh my god, that comedy moment, oh my god, I don't know why I'm finding it so funny, I just am, and me and Greg will be laughing about it on Saturday night. I just cannot wait for that, it'll be so funny. Oh god, I'm hoping I can ring him tomorrow or Friday though, please, if he's not busy, but again, so anyway, yeah, so have a good rest of bonfire night, and please leave your comments telling me if you did anything or if you didn't, if you're like me and we're boring and we're just watching Coronation Street in the bin and more telly. I think everyone's been watching Silent Witness. Please tell me in comments, and I'll see you all tomorrow for Thursday. I thought it was Friday, but it's Thursday tomorrow, so yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow, YouTubers. Bye for now. Love you all, and keep your comments coming. Thank you very much.